Today, we are changing the air filter on a Honda GX390 engine. Make sure your engine is off before starting. To access the air filter, remove the top wing nut and the top cover. Here is the air filter. To remove it, remove the secondary wing nut. The part number for a GX390 air filter is 17210-ZE3-505. Please note, if you have a GX390 UT2X QC9, the part number is 17210-Z1C-781. Make sure the air filter sealing ring is still installed before replacing the filter. This part does not come standard in the replacement filter box. The part number for the sealing ring is 17417-Z5T-000. Install a new air filter, secondary wing nut to hand tight, then reinstall air filter cover and the main wing nut to hand tight. For more information, visit ai-engines.com.